When did you last notice the weather? Not check it on an app, but actually notice it. The quality of light this morning. Whether the air smelled different. Which direction the wind was coming from. Most people cannot answer. Not because they are unobservant, because they have outsourced their senses to a screen. And here is the thing that attention researchers have been quietly establishing for 30 years. Noticing, genuinely attending to birdsong, weather, light, the texture of an ordinary moment is not a personality quirk. It is a cognitive skill, and most of us have let it atrophy. Fong, you noticed something this morning. Tell me what it was.
The leaf on the tree outside my window was backlit this morning. The whole thing glowed. I stood there for 30 seconds. That is all. Stephen and Rachel Kaplan, psychologists at the University of Michigan, spent decades studying what they called attention restoration. Their finding? Directed attention, the kind we use for screens, decisions, and deadlines, depletes. It is a finite resource, and it runs out. But involuntary attention, the kind triggered by birdsong, moving water, shifting light, restores it. Not metaphorically, measurably, in controlled studies. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Psychology found that just 20 minutes in a natural setting without a phone significantly reduced cortisol. Not 20 minutes of meditation, not exercise, just being outside, noticing. The brain was not designed for the attentional diet we are currently feeding it. It was designed for this, and it is starving. So, Murugan, what did you notice this morning?
I noticed my notifications, which I think proves your point entirely. Here is what gets me. Research on birdsong specifically. A 2022 study published in Scientific Reports found that hearing birdsong improved both mental well-being and reduced anxiety, with effects that lasted hours after the exposure ended. Not whale sounds on a sleep app, actual birds, outside, for free. And here is the part that embarrasses modern life. We have an almost infinite capacity to notice, and we have spent 15 years training it to notice one thing: new content. Always new content. The neuroscientist Merzenich showed that attention is not fixed. The brain rewires around what you repeatedly give it. You have been practicing not noticing, and you have become very good at it.
Okay. So here is the practice, and it costs nothing. Once a day, not as a ritual, not as a project. Just pause and name 3 things you can sense right now without looking for them. What can you hear? What is the light doing? What does the air feel like on your skin? Not to be mindful, not to optimize your well-being. Just to remember that the world is still there, doing its work, whether you are watching or not. Attention is not just focus. It is the quality of your contact with being alive. You were born knowing how to notice. You just forgot that it mattered. It still does.
Try it right now before you scroll. Name 3 things you can hear. Sometimes the kindest thing you can do is share something that helped you think.
Subscribe. Every week, 2 voices. 1 conversation. Something worth a few minutes of your week. And Murugan, can you hear anything right now?
Traffic. A fan. And something that might be a bird. I'm going to say it is a bird.
That counts. Wisdom, reflection, connection.